Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 8, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, we will want to open up the either File Manager or Files application, one or the other. I'm gonna stick with File Manager. So from here, at the bottom here, you will have your two storages, so phone storage and SD cards. Choose whichever one you want, where you think your files are, which for me I believe they're gonna be on my phone. And I'm gonna quickly go over a couple different folders that are important. So number one would be the DCIM, which contains pictures, videos, screenshots captured with the device. Then if we leave and go down, we'll have the downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded. And then below that we have pictures folder, which most of the time contains screenshots, but it looks like here screenshots are saved to the DCIM anyway. So yeah. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of other folders, but primarily most of them will be empty, assuming you don't use some kind of specific application that will directly save to those folders. And those are kind of rare, I would say. Usually downloaded app creates most of the time their own folder that will save to. So you might want to dig a little bit deeper for files like that. But assuming you're trying to transfer something simple, like for instance pictures, you'll find them all in DCIM folder. So once you find your files, as you can see from here, there are the files. What you want to do is select them, and you do so by simply holding it. You can see it becomes checked, and then you can tap on additional ones to select more, or you can tap right here at the top to select all. Alternatively, you could go back if you want to select everything and simply select the entire folder along with all of its content, which is the 5 items that are inside. Now once you select whichever way you want, you'll have two options, move or copy. So select whichever option you want. I'm gonna go with move. And once you select one of them, it will bring up the select folder option, so you can change the location where the files are located on your phone, or move them to a completely new location like the SD card. The choice is completely up to you. I'm gonna move it to SD card. So once you select one of them, so you'll see we're now on the SD card, and we can navigate to where we want to move those files. I could either tap on folders that already exist if I want to move them to a specific location that is already on this SD card. Oops, or let me just go back. Or I could tap on the plus icon to create a new folder. But I'm just gonna move it to the existing DCIM folder, which is empty on here. And let's select move here, and voila, it's been moved. So now if I go back to the SD card, DCIM, you can see that there's the screenshot folder along with all of its content. So that is how you remove any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.